Some of you may have seen that on my social media post yesterday that I had a day of dyeing textiles. So I was dyeing material, so pre-felt, old blankets, wool tops, silk, all resources ready for my workshops and for my own creative work. So I just thought I'd show you some of the outcomes of my dyeing session yesterday. So I had various dye pots on the go. I had some variegated in the pot dyeing on top of the stove, and I did some via the microwave as well. And I have a whole pile of goodies, as you can see, and this is just about half of them, all just about dry and ready to be used. So what have I got? So I've got some wonderful silk net in various tonal colours to use. I have some blue-faced Leicester wool tops. They're not showing up that well on the camera here, but they are gorgeous. So it's nice bright colours for my felting kits, and some more subtle colours which I'll use in my own creative vessels and pictures that I make and sell. I've also dyed some wonderful Margolin silk, so it leaves a wonderful sheen, and also chiffon silk, which gives a much more matte effect, but really effective as well. So here's some more chiffon, some more shiny Margolin, and again in the pinks and orange, not orange, it's not orange at all, it's purple, and pinks and purple. And then in the microwave I dyed some silk hankies ready for using in workshops and for creative happenings of some description or another. And here's some lovely ones in the blue and the green. And I did microwave dye one other colour, which I'll just sweep over to show you now. Look at that gorgeous yellow and orange. Isn't that absolutely sumptuous? So it's not a colour I work with that often, but I will use it as highlights, and I think it's going to look wonderful. Anyway, just thought I'd share some of the results of yesterday's dyeing session, and thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully see some of you soon. Bye.